Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to explain you how we measure the angle by using the protractor. See, I have a protractor. It is a special math instrument or measure called the protractor. Just as we use a ruler or scale to measure length, we use the protractor to measure the angles. The shape of the protractor is like a D. See, it's also called D. So you know that the standard units for measuring angle is the degree. Angles are measured by using a protractor. So in protractor, this point is called center. When this line and this line intersect, this point is known as center point of the vertex. This point. And in protractor, we have two scales, inner scale and outer scale. This scale is called outer scale and this scale is called inner scale. The scale that is inside the protractor is called inner scale, and both scales started from 0 to till 180 degree. This one is outer scale and this one is inner scale. So inner scale started from right side 0 to 180 and outer scale started from left side 0 to 180. Now I will explain how we measure the angle by using the protractor. So let's start. The angle is given. We will measure this angle by using a protractor. So first step is place the center point. This is a center point of the protractor on the vertex of the angle. This point is called vertex. When two rays, this is the first ray and this is second. When two rays share a common point is called vertex. So this B point is called vertex. So how we measure the angle? First step is place the center point of the protractor on the vertex of the angle. You see that we have two rays in the angle. So which is the baseline? It's up to you. If we will take this line as a baseline, then the position of the protractor like this. Okay, and if you will take the baseline, the second ray as a baseline, this line, then the position of the protractor is like this. I am going to take this line as a baseline. So place the protractor on the vertex of the angle. See, like this. Okay, next is, you see that this line is going left side. So we will take outer scale. On the outer scale, look carefully at what number in the outer scale of marking the ray of your angle crosses. So this ray crosses at the number of 80 degree. So it's mean this angle is 80 degree. Got it? And if we will take, for example, if we will take this line as a baseline, so first step is place the center of the protractor on the vertex of the angle like this. Okay, next is put the 0 degree mark on the right ray of the angle. See, this ray is going right side, so we will take inner scale, this scale, inner scale. Now look carefully to see at what number in the inner scale of the marking the ray of your angle crosses. Again, you see that, wait, you see that this ray crosses at the number of 80 degree. So both are right. It's up to you which line you want to base. Now I am going to explain you how we form the angle by using the protractor. So first we will form 23 degree angle. Okay, so how we will form? So first of all, draw a baseline by using a ruler. So by using a ruler. So draw a baseline. This line is called baseline. The length of the baseline is not fixed. It's up to you how much you want. But the baseline is not too much longer or not too much shorter. Keep it in your mind. On the baseline, you see we have 2 points. This point is on the right side and this point is on the left side. So it's up to you which point you will take, but mostly we have taken this point. Okay, so I'm going to take the protector. So first we will form 23-degree angle. Okay, so how we will form? So first of all, draw a baseline by using a ruler. So by using a ruler, so draw a baseline. This line is called baseline. The length of the baseline is not fixed. It's up to you how much you want. But the baseline is not too much longer or not too much shorter. Keep it in your mind. On the baseline, you see we have 2 points. This point is on the right side and this point is on the left side. So it's up to you which point you will take, but mostly we have taken this point. Okay, so I'm going to take this point. So place at the center of the protector on this point carefully, like this. You see that this baseline is going right side. Okay, right side. So we will take which scale? Inner scale, because the line is on the right side. So in the inner scale, have you seen where is 23-degree? After 20. So this is 20. So next is, look carefully. Wait. Let me wait. Okay, now see, this point is 20, next is 21, then 22, and then 23. So this is 23. Mark a dot here. Then join this dot with this dot by using a ruler. Okay, mark carefully. So this is 23-degree. And which angle is this? Acute, obtuse, or right angle? An angle that is less than 90 degrees called acute angle. So 23 is less than 90 degree. So it's mean this is acute angle.